Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is Aston Martin DB4GT High Speed Edition. So that's a big name. So I do like this casting, so I bought it, and it looks like it's just Zamak. It's, which means it's nothing is painted on, maybe apart from a just a glossy uh, paint. Just like a, how I can say, a transparent glossy paint job, just to protect the Zamak casting. Yeah, it is actually Zamak. But this didn't come under rolling metal series. I'm not sure why. But it looks really nice as a overall casting. And the one good thing with putting out the Zamak casting as it is, which is like, you can't say there is a paint flaw because the entire paint looks itself like a flaw. So look at this. And they did with the red stripe. So I really wish they went with a green color, like the green you can see in this Lamborghini, that, or at least in this premium Lamborghini. So both greens would have looked really nice with some pinstripes, or either black pinstripe, or even kind of how I can say, red, even red pinstripe would have been, dark red pinstripe would have been great. So the rims looks really nice. I personally like it. So there are no headlight details. I can say, whatever Zamak castings which I unboxed so far, it never had any headlight details. That goes for taillights as well. So at least they painted on the sides. The font looks really nice. I personally love it. It is a little bit heavy, not too much, not like the Viper, but it is kind of heavy, a little bit. So the body is metal. So the chassis, including this part here, everything is plastic, but it does look really nice. Let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. It is too slow, and I think it is getting in contact with the ground, when you are trying to push. Yeah, a little bit. See, I thought because it was, getting hit on the sides, but no, it is getting a little bit of contact with the ground. At some angle it is having, but overall it's really a beautiful casting. The logo placement is also really nice. Honestly, for a change, I think the Toyota and this as well, the logo placement is a bit on the nicer end compared to other Hot Wheels. I think even in the Viper as well, it looked really nice. So overall, it's a beautiful casting, and it does have some interior. Not sure if you guys can able to see it clearly, but it is a beautiful casting. If you guys are wondering whether you can buy it or not, go ahead and buy it. It does have some exhaust details on the side, which is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.